Hi, Mom and Dad. It is September 30th, and you haven't seen me online today. That's because I'm at Lozani Lodge, and the weather is yucky, so there's no internet. I went to the doctor today, and the diagnosis is that I still have a severe sinus infection, but I also have bronchitis. A doctor or an apple a day keeps the doctor away is bull poop. So it's 5:30, almost 6 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired and my nose is runny and my throat hurts, and because the internet's not working. So I'm gonna go. Bye bye.